I know what's going on, dude.
What's going on, man?
Happy
New Year. Happy New Year, though. Happy New Year. What size feet you? What size are you?
5.
I got something for you, you know. I got some trainers for you. You're from Kenya?
Kenya,
Somalia? Okay, from the Somalian community. Okay. Yard vibes with up on local pot.
One of the nicest Caribbean food shops. When you come in Birmingham, you cannot come at a food shop here. You're not past Birmingham.
Yeah.
Over the years, like every time, so many things happen. Trust me.
Yeah.
So many things. Like they have this thing with them.
Ginger, you get me, I say, clean out the intestine, you get me, I say, help with the digestive system as well. Because you know we have beetroot and ginger. You don't know beetroot clean the whole body, flush out the whole bloodstream.
Don't know about gang violence, but probably a bit of violence.
A bit of violence.
Yeah.
Just like a bit of rough individuals, not really gang related like that. Yeah.
Not really gang like that no more, really.
Yeah.
It used to be.
Yeah.
Not too much.
Big up, I like your top.
Continue the liquor pot that what we start out with. So we just cook small pot because we cook lots of variety. So we don't cook a lot. So
We say fresh food for people, them.
fresh. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, yes, people, big up yourself, and yeah, man, we're here with Formula. Wow. Oxtail, yes. Ooh, curry goat.
Yeah.
We've been having the vibes in the air, and Bling eat the dumpling. I'm not sure nobody about the dumpling, but
No, the dumpling is too nice. It's, I never want to share it. So that's why I just make it and eat it up quick.
congratulations for the new year. This new year 2026 that we're in right now.
Yeah, well, inspiration I just to like do the best and make good, hope that good people come to we and we give people the good service and you know.
I'm gonna cut you. I do a donation to some the storm of Jamaica the other day. Our family,
Yeah,
the
man.
and wife and the whole family. They
From the heart, man, yeah,
a lot of food towards the barrel of me and send go to Jamaica.
Yeah,
And
man.
then
Yes, people, so big up yourself. So yeah, man, I'm here in Birmingham with Bling.
Cool and Ringo, big up yourself, my bro. You're there in the place and you have the good things. Come see you meet somebody here so a while ago. And you have a pair of shoes here. So it's a blessing in a Ringo.
Do you rate the shop?
Yeah. I'll rate it, man.
You rate it, yeah?
Mutton and that, yeah, definitely mutton and rice from here.
Mutton and rice, yeah?
And nice, you know, niceness.
Yeah.
Niceness just up the road as well.
Nice.
And with fried dumpling and ackee and saltfish, you can pull up here and sit down to chill out. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So I saw you things set up around them and say, so they have like seafood and they do like platters and everything. When it's a Jamaican side. So I'm looking bro, G, so.
Got the ackee and saltfish, the pepper prawn, eat fish and brim, eggless brim. Yeah.
I know what's going on, dude.
What's going on, man? Happy New Year. Happy New Year, though. Happy New Year. What size feet you? What size are you?
5.
I got something for you, you know. I got some trainers for you. What's your name? Huh? Tell me to stop the music 1 second. Stop the music. I've got a gift for her. I got a gift for you. Yeah, I got a gift for you. Are you homeless?
No, I've got a house, but they broke my house 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And I was robbed everything.
And what's your situation? What's your situation in Birmingham? What's it like here as a female?
No, I don't like it.
Huh? Have you been able to get any form of support or any help from anybody in the community?
No.
How long you been here in Birmingham?
Been here for a long time, to be honest. 5 years, 6 years.
6 years. What's your nationality?
Half Kenyan, half Somali.
You're from Kenya?
Kenya and Somali.
Somalia?
Yeah.
Okay, from the Somalian community. Okay. Where do you live locally?
I live in Ashton.
Okay, do you have family here as well?
No, I've got children.
Children? How do you survive?
Survive? It's not easy.
What's saying, darling? You want it?
It's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. It's not
Yeah.
easy.
Do you, like, in the sense of like support, do you get benefit? Do you get anything like this?
At the moment, they sanction me.
They sanction you, so you're not being able to receive any form of support.
No.
And how long has that been for?
4 months.
4 months now. And how do you get by day to day?
Surviving. That's all right.
If you don't mind me asking, are you addicted to anything? You can be honest.
No.
I'm not
No,
judging
no.
you if you.
No.
You just drink.
But hard. I can't finish one beer alone.
Right.
I used to be alcoholic, but I stopped.
Right. And how long now you been drinking?
I was alcoholic, but I stopped.
Do you drink very often? Every day?
Every day by one beer, I can't finish.
One a day?
One a day.
And you're a size 5?
Yeah.
I have a pair of trainers for you.
Please.
Yeah?
Okay.
What's your name?
Mona.
I'm Ringo.
Okay.
Ringo.
Nice to meet you.
Ringo Vision.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mona.
Thank you.
1 second. Yes, people, so big up yourself. So, yeah, man, I'm here in Birmingham with Bling.
Cool and Ringo. Big up yourself, my bro. You're there in the place and you had the good things. Come see me meet somebody here so a while ago. And she have a pair of shoes here. So it's a blessing in a Ringo.
Yeah.
You see, gotta lead the way for you and you follow. And that's what we need to do, isn't it? So yeah, man, I be a love as a man to the world, man. You see it? And if you have anything can help towards the Ringo I do, you know, help, man, because man do really, really good. You see it? We say 1 million people for feed.
1 million
and look
people.
after.
And look after.
All right, so you hear that?
All right. So Mona,
Yeah.
is either these ones size 5,
Wow, this is nice here, folks.
or we got these is size 5. And
Reebok.
these.
Yeah, okay. This red
Oh.
is my favorite.
Red is a perfect
We
color.
got
Yeah.
these. You know?
That's nice.
Thank you.
Yes, so I'm outside with Bling, and you understand this is all it takes, everybody, yeah, just to give a support and help somebody that's in need, you understand? And Bling's gonna take me around the community in Birmingham, and we can help who we can help on the journey. Moni, that they belong to you.
So when next foot like this?
In that sense.
Thank you.
I'll get a look box here, though.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes, Mona.
Yeah,
So good vibes, man.
thank you. Take care.
Yeah, and Happy New Year, and I wish you all the best. Yeah. Okay.
I'll be happy when you buy kids for me.
Yeah, this is you can't just go down, so.
True.
Yeah, you have to try something.
Thank you very much.
White bread finished. The people are rushing white bread, but since there's nothing, I think I will eat that all wheat.
All wheat, nice.
Yeah? And a bun for you.
Thank you very much. Yes, people, and this is the love.
And you're gonna try my rum cake.
Rum cake.
Of course.
All right. So, I want you to tell me about all your varieties of cakes as well.
Okay, this is our signature cake. We sell this 12 months a year.
Yes.
Rum cake. We have coconut drops. We do grater cake. We do gizzardas. We do pumpkin rum cake. Not
Pumpkin?
People know about this, yeah. We do cherry and coconut. We do banana cake. We do carrot cake. What else? We do foods over there. We do ackee and saltfish, callaloo and saltfish, jerk chicken pasta, fried chicken, jerk chicken, fried fish, fried sprats, saltfish fritter. We make our own patties.
Right.
We do a variety of hot food, oxtail, curry goat, stew chicken. We do our own natural juices. We do sorrel, we do mango, pineapple, and ginger juice. A big variety of stuff. But everything you see here is made in-house.
Okay. Fresh daily.
Yes.
And another thing I wanted to ask you as well, yeah, because you said you was like one of the only black businesses that's here. What's the experience that you've experienced over the years?
Over the years, like every time, so many things happen. Trust me.
Yeah.
So many things. Like they have this thing with them. Every time it's like it's gonna be like a huge holiday, like Christmas, Easter. They stage some kind of accident on the road to block off all people from coming here, from finding the way here to buy stuff. They do everything. Like if, all right, say for an example. Say everyone's on the road getting a grant. If we put in for the grant, we don't get a grant.
Okay. So
There's always some politics behind something.
right. So you're getting a hard.
Like we were even on the Soul Road bid because A lot of, oh God, so many things just can't fly off the top of your head, but so many things happen and sorrow. But you see, because we're strong females in here, we just don't pay certain things anymore and just continue doing our thing.
Right. And just the business, do you get support from the community?
We get support from the community, but a lot of business we get come from outside. We get people from Wales, from Scotland, from Germany.
Right.
Yeah, from Paris. Lots of people coming because it's like we're a landmark to a lot of people. Like say for example, if you come from anywhere, you say meet me in Birmingham, the first thing I can tell you, oh meet me at Davis Bakery, meet me at Hansworth Park, meet me at Bing's.
Right.
Like yeah, it's a landmark to
So
everybody.
what's their signature name for here?
Or just Davis Bakery, the bread shop.
The bread shop.
Yeah.
Okay, so people are coming on the bread shop.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's quite popular. And what's the community like here? What's the predominant
The
culture?
community has changed over the years, you know, like a lot of people moved out of the community. Some do come in and give us the support still,
Right.
but a lot has moved out and it's like basically turning like an Asian community around
So it's
here.
predominantly Asian
Yeah.
community here
Yeah.
on this particular section of Birmingham. Okay, do you get support from the Asian community?
Yeah,
They do? Okay, well that's good that they support as well.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to talk a little bit about your grandparents.
yeah.
And who were they? Tell us a little bit about your grandparents.
My grandparent was Mr. Brian.
Mr. Brian.
Yes.
And
Mr. Brian, my granddad bought it off Mr. Davis.
right. So tell me a little bit then. So we're going back, and are we talking here, Jamaica, or
Now,
here,
here,
UK?
I don't really know the full history of that, but
But we're talking here in the UK.
yeah.
So your grandparents are like from the Windrush generation,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So we're talking about the early 60s,
Yeah.
50s.
Yeah.
So we're going way back now, you know, people. Yeah. So this is a look a bit of our history.
My
So
granddad through the community, he was known as Bullerman before he bought in. He used to make buller from home, walk with it in a wicker basket, sell from home to home until he got here.
okay, so he authentically carried on a tradition from Jamaica, as you know,
Yeah.
as buller cake.
Yeah.
And you got the authentic
Yeah,
rum
like my
cake here.
grandma taught him to make it, and then he moved here.
Right.
Left my grandma back in Jamaica, came here, do that
Yes.
to make his life, and then
So if you don't mind me asking, where in Jamaica are you from?
all families from St. Catherine.
Oh, St. Catherine.
Yeah.
And just quickly, did you guys experience the hurricane harshly, or was it
No. All family back home, they were quite fine.
quite fine?
Yeah. No, nothing happened to them really. Nothing, no
Okay.
damage to the house, nothing at all.
That's
Yeah,
good. to
that
know.
was good. Thank God for that.
Yeah, that's
but
good
a
to
lot
know.
of people suffered a lot there.
And I just
But I
wanna.
just hope the help that a lot of people over here and all over the world sent, they received the help
Yes,
and can build by themselves.
definitely. And for this new 2026 season,
Yeah.
what do you aspire for your community?
Yeah, well, aspire for them to come together, support each other.
Who's that round there? Because I heard the silent.
my mum.
That's
That's my
mum.
mum, yeah.
So you can hear mum whispering, "Come together." Mum saying, "Come together." But look, this year I strongly agree with mum as well, whispering in the background, "Come together, people." Yeah, because as the lady here is saying, sorry, your name,
Anika.
Anika. As Anika is saying here, they've been here for 30 years and holding down here in the community that's predominantly not Afro-Caribbean or African.
Not
but
anymore.
not-
Used to be a predominantly black area, but over the years,
Yeah.
people moved out, and it's just us basically.
Right.
Yeah.
So just quickly, the aspiration for the community.
We just hope that all of them can come together, help out each other. Just be one more. Just be kind to each other, because trust me, a lot of homeless people around this area. There's just so much, like every now and then, like even Christmas a couple weeks ago, like you have a community hub around the back there through the alley that feeds the homeless. We did a little food for them.
Yeah.
We did Christmas dinner for them.
Right.
Let my kids go around there, help them out, give them toys, give them some dinner.
That's really good.
Yeah, and like every day as usual you see 1 and 2 pass, or can have something to eat, you know, you have to help out everybody.
Yes,
Do what you can.
Okay.
So just hope everybody else can be gentle, can be kind, help each other,
Yes.
and just pull together.
You hear that, everyone? Yeah, as Anita said, yeah, it's all about togetherness. Pull together. Pull
Be
together.
kind.
Be kind.
Yeah,
You know,
kindness goes a long way.
it goes a long way.
Yeah.
And sometimes kindness doesn't necessarily mean you have to physically take something and give to someone. It's just being kind to
just
someone.
Just a listening ear. Sometimes some people just need somebody to listen to
That's
them.
right.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Anita. And big up the bakery shop. Maria, big up yourself around there in the background as well. I'm looking forward to trying my bread, you know.
Of course, and your bun.
I'm a bun, look.
Yeah.
I've been gifted today, everyone, yeah, with a bun. And this is from here?
Yes. Everything you see here is made here on the premises. We
Wow.
don't buy anything out. Everything is authentically
Wow.
made. Yeah.
And it's stamped.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it, people, yeah. Davis, West Indies, Indian. All right, bakery. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Bit dyslexic. And we're on which road? Handsworth Road?
Yeah, Soho Road.
Soho Road?
Yeah.
Soho Road. All right, a good vibes. Big up yourself, yeah?
You too, darling, and thank you for coming in.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, people, so, yeah, get a look of package. Yeah, man, get a bread. Yeah, get a look of bread.
The bread and the bun are the nicest.
Yeah, a good vibes.
Fresh, you see me, I say? You know, well done.
Bless, what you man, good, yeah? How you doing? What, man, can chat to you for a minute? Basically, I'm just here from London, innit?
Yeah.
So I know a look a bit about the community, if you can just give me a look at insight.
What you want to know?
Just, what's the area like?
It's right.
Is it
It's ends, isn't it?
and is it good for jobs?
Not really.
Not
I would
really?
say so. But you get me, there's jobs there, but you know,
Yeah.
you get me, but most people around here, ain't gonna lie, most of them, I won't say the word.
Would you say that there's a lot of gang violence here?
I won't say violence, I don't know about gang violence, but probably a bit of violence.
A bit of violence? Just like a bit of rough individuals, not really gang related like that? Yeah.
Not really gang like that no more, really.
Yeah.
It used to be,
Yeah.
not too much.
Big up, I like your top.
I respect, man.
It's
I
loud.
like
I
wearing
like,
it.
that's what made me stop you actually. The top stood out to me.
Fucking I walk around, everyone starts singing Scooby-Doo and that, man.
No, it's 6'2".
People recognise me with this jacket, I can't wear it too much.
Yeah, it's 6'2", man.
Real,
Big up. How long you been in Birmingham though, man?
All my life,
All your life, yeah?
all my life.
Original Birmingham.
Yeah, born around here.
Sick.
Yeah.
Big up yourself though,
I
man.
respect, man. You go in here, the shop here.
Just come out there, got some bread.
Leng the shop there.
See, how do you rate the shop?
Nah, I rate it, man.
You rate it, yeah?
Mutton and that, yeah. Definitely mutton and rice from here.
Mutton and rice, yeah?
And nice, you know, niceness.
Yeah.
Niceness just up the road as well. Leng.
Nice, bling niceness.
Yeah, all the community jerk centre as well. That's
Yeah?
how you get it.
I love my brother, yeah?
Respect, man.
Respect.
Good on.
Yeah, bling, what are people them so nice, man?
Yeah, man, I saw them stay, man. Lovely people, them, man. No
No,
joke.
but bling, no, me say people them nice.
Cook a big bag here coming out the door. No
Lord
joke. I
God
saw them.
almighty,
No
me
joke,
say,
bro.
yo.
I love, man.
And it's not because of the gift, you know, it's just because of the
way
energy.
The energy.
Yeah, and the vibes, them just give you some vibes, but just natural and authentic.
Yeah, man. The
Well-
people, them, man. So they come to Birmingham. Them tune in, man. So road, man. David's Bakery. You see me, I say?
David's Bakery people, Soho Road. You understand? And that's how we're there right now.
No
yeah, man,
joke.
Birmingham, man, no joke, man, with Bling Lifestyle people. Yeah, go and check it out on the YouTube. Bling Lifestyle, that is it. So same time, people, I just pull up to a spot called Local Spot, you know. Yard vibes with up on the local pot.
One of the nicest Caribbean food shops in Birmingham. When you come in Birmingham, you cannot come at that food shop here. You're not past Birmingham.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man, a little pot now. Yeah, man.
Make sure
Alright.
I catch them in action now while them are rehearse. Look, we've been having the vibes in air and Bling eat the dumpling. I'm not sure nobody about the dumpling, but
No, the dumpling is too nice. It's, I never want to share it. So that's why I just make case and eat it up quick and fast. You see me? A little pot, me them, man. I see this food
What you say,
shop.
Bling?
Little pot. That's what the food shop name. And it based on our answer. No, you tell them.
so I want to look up at you when they cook.
Yeah,
A big
name
pack
on the
of
shop. But we don't move on to the big pack yet. So we just continue the liquor pack, that's what we start out with. So we just cook small pot because we cook lots of variety, so we don't cook a lot. So
We say fresh food for people them.
fresh food,
I can't tell you.
flavor,
I can't tell you.
even the mat have on the flavor.
Yeah.
Hello, hi, you right?
Yeah, good. Do you have a menu?
Menu.
Yes.
Yeah, the menu that we have is outdated. It's only the menu.
We always go here.
Yeah, the menu it stay the same, but the prices they change.
Yes.
And the number is valid. So let me put the number.
So bling. So look up at you so in a Birmingham. Tell me look a bit about the look up at
The Copata still, when I say, is a
Do you
food
have
shop
any
where they
special-
have a whole lot of different
special
varieties.
style?
Some food shop they do like a
Or
basic,
this one is
like
available?
pork, wood, oxtail,
Yeah,
and
we
everything.
have-
With
we
little
have
pot,
curry goat
you
today,
get some
we have
food where,
oxtail,
you know, you grow up on some
we
food
have
at Jamaica,
steak,
like chicken
we
food.
have,
You get a
roast
stew cheese
chicken,
with chicken food.
we have
You
jerky
get like
chicken,
lobster
fried
soup,
chicken, like
kong
finish.
soup. Isn't it cold food soup, cold cut soup? So you get some different variety where other food shop nowadays, isn't it?
Yeah.
No joke.
So a two food shop you can come now in a Birmingham, you know.
And so from the carrier them shop there, you're supposed to know most of the food nice. So you see, I tell you one more thing again. So when in the kitchen, the way around they clean, you can food can drop on the floor and you take it up and eat it. No joke. That's why I always a big up everything to really. So I say,
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
because I tell him how your food nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, me not tell no lies still. When we walk in the shop, yeah, me smell flavors.
Just
Straight flavors. Me walk, when me come in,
Okay,
me smell a strong scent, a goodness.
Jamaica, you're there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
goodness,
man.
goodness.
Jamaica,
Tell me a bit about the shop.
Well, at the moment, the shop now, we used to do this back room. But since we came here, we didn't bother.
Where's
We-
back home?
Jamaica.
What part of Jamaica?
In Clarendon, Rocky Pine. So I used to run a 24-hour tea shop on the beach, the seaside itself.
Right.
Yeah, so when we came to England, now we just divert to different things. But in the COVID, we get bored.
Yes.
And my husband said, oh, just try back the cooking. And he
Yes.
was there messing around with the cooking with his friend. Him. I took on the baking
Yes.
in the COVID. So if people keep coming and they say, oh, you can go to the road, the food is very nice. So we say, okay then. So he came and he went over to the, because we haven't been on this road, you know. So maybe it's for a reason. And he went to the hardware over there. So when I sat in the car, I saw a little sign on the shutter here.
Yes.
So I said, see, like that shop is renting.
Yeah.
And I said, he said he want to go and look at it. I said, forget it. So we said, let's go home. So in the evening, about 9, 7 o'clock, he came back. He took a piece of paper out of his pocket.
Yeah.
He said, here's the number. I said, what number? He said the number in the shop. We said, you still went to the shop? He said he liked the shop, he just want the shop. If me could call the
People.
landlord. So
Yeah.
we phoned up the landlord the next day. The landlord said 3 people in front of us. So the chance of we getting it is very slim.
Yes.
Because those people seem like they're really interested.
Yes.
Then after the landlord phoned me about a week after, said the people then said too much work and too much money to spend.
Yes.
So if I'm still interested, he will let me have it, but we would have to fix it because it was an office like a little bookshop.
Yeah.
It was not kitchen. So my husband came in and he came and showed us and he said, oh, he will take it. So he took it. So we
She soon forward, but she just get a customer. She just get a customer coming in the shop. So a good vibe. So yeah, man, good vibes. So you sibling.
Yeah, man. They are my boss. You see, it's a jump where they jump out and no one make 2 little roll go up on the road and sit there, you see me? So, they go and see you, they go and shoot you. No.
Yeah, so let me just tell the boss, cause
Yeah,
alright.
time I move.
Yes, my people. So yeah, the mission is continued, and we're outside. We're just getting acquainted with the community. So I've linked up with him with Bling here in Birmingham, and Bling's just showing me around the community, bringing me to some hot spots where they got the best foods here. You understand? Wherever the food is, that's where the vibes is, people. Yeah, you understand? So yeah, man, that is it. All I need is support from anyone that's watching on the program to take me around in their community at the same time while we're on the journey, on the mission. Big up yourself. That is it. A good vibes. Yard style restaurant. You understand? Authentic Jamaican food. We're there one more time again. Another Jamaican spot here in Birmingham, people. are good vibes. People, big up yourself. It's freezing cold out here. But yeah, man, I'm in another part of Birmingham, people, yeah. That is it, are good vibes. Formula. Yeah, bless. Bless Formula, bless. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So, I will have food shop them here, I'm going to Birmingham.
Yeah, just full of man, because the way the place
Yeah.
so cold right now.
Yeah.
At them places you can find people.
Yeah.
Hairdress, a barber shop, food shop.
Yeah.
Here, so I want a good friend.
Yeah.
And a family, me say, isn't it?
Family, we say no people.
Yeah, and you don't know a good people there, man. And bring you up in the place. Up here, so name people, I meet the boss tell away there.
All right.
So you don't know where they're there. And
Yeah, man.
inside of Birmingham with the same way.
Formula.
Formula to the world.
Formula, Jamaican restaurants, people, you over there? Formula up at Birmingham, I don't know, draw thing to your thing, you know. Yeah, man, so a place set up here. Ah, yeah, the trip so far and the little tour on Birmingham has been good. You understand? Checked out all the hot spots for the best Caribbean food. Yeah, man, so far. That is it, a good vibes. Yeah, inside our place, you know. Looks busy inside, people. So yeah, man, we're in another we're in a place clean. We're in another hot spot in Birmingham, people. Yeah, and the one yeah again, people, Formula. Yeah, so we're just gonna talk to the people them here. Yeah, man, in Birmingham. Yeah, man, are good vibes. How you doing? You alright?
I'm good. And Happy New Year to you. It's nice coming down.
Thank you very much. Happy
to
New Year.
Yes.
What's it like here in the community?
It's quite good. Friendly.
Why Formula? Where Formula come from? Where Formula come from?
It's an ingredient of making things, you know?
Yeah.
One vision, you know, I have a vision.
Yes.
How you do, you know?
Yes.
You don't know the ingredients of making things, man, you know what I mean? And you have the formula, you have everything.
But them know them,
You
man.
have the tattoo, you have bad.
True.
Just a alone.
So Formula, me say you have whole heap of things on the menu.
Yeah,
So
man.
when the people them come to Birmingham, what can they get here at Formula?
Yeah, man. They get the best of the best, you know. Them like all the pepper steak when them pass through and curry, man. It have the kicking and the stew, right? They like the jerk as well. Go down well with the mac and cheese, you know?
Yeah. What part of Jamaica you from?
Portmore.
Portmore.
Newland. Yeah.
So yes, people, so we have a piece of Portmore there, you know, in
Portmore
Birmingham.
for sure, man.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's up on the Gaza Strip.
Yeah.
But them know no, man.
Portmore, a place called, in our down at Portmore, a place called Newland.
Newland.
Yeah? Yeah, Newland. Yeah, man.
So tell me a little bit about the business.
Yeah, the business are like from 2018.
Yes.
I really thinking that.
So like 8 years now.
Yeah, like 7 years summer.
Yeah.
So this our 8th year we are falling and we are.
And how has it been?
We like the support of the people them still. They come down and you know they show the support. So I'm a good loyal customer.
Yes, respect, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Them not just work, man. And they like the service with them need, you know. Yeah.
And what's the community like here?
They're good, you know. They're good around here, yeah, to be honest. And we like to spread the wings still, because we're on the Uber Eat and Just Eat.
Yes.
Yeah, and Just Eat, we have nearly 5,000 reviews.
Yes.
Good review, we have 5-star here, you know what I mean?
Yes.
And people come down, place nice and clean, 5-star rating hygiene as well on the front there, you know?
So can I see some of your food? Formula? Can I see some of your food?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, what you mean, man? Because people don't want to see
Yeah, man.
food, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, people, big up yourself. And yeah, man, we're here with Formula. Wow.
Yeah, so the oxtail there. Yeah.
Oxtail, yes.
Curry
Ooh.
in there. Yeah.
Curry goat.
Yeah. Over here, so. Rice
Big
and peas
big
there.
pot of rice and peas. Yeah.
I don't bring no green here, so here so we have the hard food. Yeah. Silem. This is Silem.
Silem.
At the camera. Silem.
See them.
Up a bit. Yeah. Come on, see them, you know, see them.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year to them. Yes, yes, yes.
And we have the soup in here, so.
Yeah.
I will do cook and put off, they separate the things, them, you know.
Yes.
We have some wings here, so fried dumpling here, so cornmeal fried there, so jerk chicken I go down here, so we have put in some more.
Nice, nice. And as you can see, people look at the floor, it's nice and clean in there. You understand? Friendly. Yes, friendly environment, people. They got slushies here as well.
You see the showcase now, got the ackee and saltfish, the pepper prawn, eat fish and brim, eggless brim. Yeah. And the fried chicken under there. Fried chicken there. Yeah.
Wow. Cold and fried chicken.
Yeah, we have the mac and cheese over here. Mac and cheese over here.
Wow. So
You know,
I noticed that
today-
your mac and cheese has got a little bit. Let me see. Look, the mac and cheese is kind of fancy at the top.
Yeah.
You can put some peppers on there. Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit
Nice
different.
stuff, yeah.
I don't really see people do it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nice,
So
man.
a
And the
formula. So me I catch it. Yeah. Ingredients. Yes. Yes, people. Big up formula and big up.
Yeah, and true today, like, you know, we just start back the week, so.
And it's a
we
new
could do
year.
We could have done more, but you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
people spend out, so we have to be careful how we cook food fresh every day, and you know what I mean? So. we have to keep it
And how what's your aspirations for the new year? This new
Yeah.
year 2026 that we're in right now.
Yeah, well, inspiration is just to like do the best and make good, hope that good people come to we and we give people the good service, and you know.
I'm gonna cut you. I do a donation to the Storm of Jamaica the other day, our family.
Yeah,
Him
man.
and his wife and the whole family them
From
go
the
there
heart, man,
and
yeah,
a
man.
lot of food towards the barrel of me and send go to Jamaica.
Yeah,
And
man.
him actually contact somebody when go and buy groceries
Yeah.
from too as well.
Yeah.
I bet them know what me and deal with and him say, yo,
Yeah,
you know
a place called Copes.
Copes, yeah.
Yeah.
And he
Yeah,
said,
place
bring the
called
people
Copes.
them have some things
Yeah.
you.
Some
And
nice
make
white
it happen.
people, yeah.
So, Ringo and
Yeah.
good people.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
That's why I
Ringo,
bring you
man.
here. You see me?
Right.
Yeah, so you man do good for the community.
Yeah, man.
Not joke.
No, big up
Yeah,
yourself.
Ringo, man, I just say we have a vision, you know?
Yes,
Ringo
yes.
vision, so we have a vision, really.
For real. Me love that.
Just go good and good have a follow, you know what I mean?
You hear that,
And
people?
Good must conquer evil, you know?
That is
Yeah,
it.
man. That's
One
it.
love family, yeah. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Bling. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. And yeah, place family. See there.
Yeah, you see sign to man. See how the Bob Marley about 5 different Bob Marley I see in one
And look,
picture.
so the services that you provide outside of here,
Yeah.
which is the shop, because I just hear you say catering.
Yeah,
So tell me a little bit how you can provide services for people, how they can contact you and
Yeah,
what
the
kind of
the
service.
number is there.
We catch your
So,
number,
Yeah.
but you have to
number
give them
is there and-
a local Pringle, you know.
Yeah, what happen now, people will just call and they check around for quotation, and we always try to beat the price of what they have, you know, so what they get, we try to beat the price of what they get.
And what kind of services you provide outside of the restaurant?
To be honest, we only cook the food and they come and collect. That's the most reason.
So you cater for
Yeah.
for
Cater
our services.
Funeral, after party, funeral, wedding, anything.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
Small party, big or small, no matter, you know, we do them all.
And big up family people here. He's coming here from Portmore, Jamaica, and he's right here in Birmingham. You understand? And he's welcomed me to come inside of his kitchen. Very clean environment, people. Yeah. So you know, say, look, when you come to Birmingham, this is one of the spots where you just come in and you just check in. Just check in, man. Cause bling, you can't. Ringo Vision myself.
Yeah.
Family there.
I thank you, Ringo, for give us the visit and the looking. You know what I mean?
How you mean, man?
Yeah.
A good
I'm
vibe.
sure say yeah, do good for the black community. You know what I mean?
As well, same way.
We respect that, man.
Yes,
and
love.
we're only here to serve and protect. You know what I mean?
That is
no
it.
disrespect. We deal with people the best.
Yes.
Yeah, man, yeah? That
Love.
is it, man.
One love
And
family.
you can look here, so see,
Yes.
food are always clean, fresh. So the 5-star hygiene,
That
food
is it.
hygiene ratings, 5-star, you know? So definitely.
And the name of your strip here, what would you call this road out here?
This is Bearwood Road.
Bearwood Road.
369 Bearwood Road.
You hear that, people? So we're on 369 Bearwood Road, Birmingham.
B664DL.
B,
664DL.
that is it.
Yeah,
One love, yeah?
yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Do, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. That is
Yeah,
it.
man. Give thanks to God,
Yes. Our good vibes. And what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna show you guys quickly, yeah. 1 second. Let me just quickly give you guys an overview. Food start from a basic price, small, which is £10, reasonable. And if you want a large, just add an extra £2 and you're gonna clear people, yeah. And you see me have the soup then, which is the formula as well, red peas, mannish water, fish, mutton, chicken, vegetable, and all range of patties as well, banana fritters. You don't always see banana fritters on the menu. You go to the Chinese shop and get banana fritters, but you understand? A vibes. So yeah, man, you can also get your Guinness sex juice.
Yeah.
Now telling people about the sex juice, cause enough people are watching now.
Yeah,
the more I know what the juice there.
Yeah, the sexy juice still, you know, I don't know, I just a name in it, but the things that we put in it, the ingredients, the formula.
Yeah.
And mostly the girls them always come in because them say they want to be sexy when them say the thing as a sexy. So, you know, them in it for win it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them get with it, man.
Yeah. So Bling, you might taste the juice there?
No, you see, that juice I still me taste, but I never taste for the bars catching on it, but I taste it before. Because there's a lot of ingredients make it. Because the person who make it, let me try it before, he use orange juice, pineapple, and a whole heap more other little things
Yeah,
too.
we don't put orange juice, we put like soursop juice.
Soursop, yeah, so you see
and
different catching that.
pineapple.
But it's a juice where
Yeah, I mean.
you can drink, but just nice.
Yeah.
You see me? No
Yeah.
joke. Yeah, man. No alcohol, nothing. It's just
Yeah.
fruit
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
to the world.
To the world.
To the world.
To
And
the-
a formula with there, is it? So, you don't know enough to come check it out. Formula with it, or with the TikTok. What your name? On TikTok.
Formula, yeah.
See the on the TikTok?
Formula.
People go check formula.
Jamaican restaurant.
Look, go and check formula on the social media, people. Yeah, check him out. Telephone number there. So listen, even if you want a quotation and you're up in the Midlands, you're up in the Midlands. You understand, Bling? You're up in the Midlands, and you're keeping an event, parties, wedding, funeral, off. You understand? Catering. Link him up, man. Him food nice, man.
So,
And
you know, so cleanliness we deal with, and cleanliness is godliness. So everywhere you see me make you pull up, I'll be a cleanness.
this is the third shop, you know.
Be a clean.
And you know when them say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I just have 1, 2, 3 Bling. It's like the favorite.
Yeah, man,
Cause even we got on this video that everyone's watching right now, Bling is taking us to 3 different shops, and this is the last shop. The first shop we went to was a bread shop, right?
Yes, the
we got a bakery.
bakery,
Yeah, and then we got pepper
liquor pot.
local pot.
Yeah, and then with their formula.
When we reach a
Yeah, man. Is
Cause you see the name of formula though? It's like it just correlate everything together.
Yeah, man.
It's a formula bring everything together.
It's a family, you know.
Yeah, man.
Husband, wife,
Yeah,
kids.
Yeah, man.
So it's
Yeah, man, all the little man there here, and I'm wipe down the wall and him wrap the fox on the front of the sun, you know?
And
Yes.
pass our next shop
And
when
in
the sun
summer-
run.
Yeah.
In summer I make all him sky juice to 12 years.
Yeah.
And your son have a barber shop.
Barber shop, yeah.
Right
2 years,
down
1
there.
year old
We're gonna stop down
farm
there
and a
now,
barber,
down
yeah.
there.
Alright.
So, a family thing, man, is it? And I them thing now, general, no joke, isn't it? Cause when him show me and say, Bling, you know, say, come check me, and then boss in the boot at the chunk, and say, Bling, look in here, my wife and whole family.
Yeah,
and he say,
man.
come, we are going on next place again. And when I go on there, I want Charlie. The people them bring come ring up with
Overload.
Overload.
Oh, gosh.
Oh God, man.
Overload,
So
yeah.
yeah, man do good for the community. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Man, no joke. Right now we want to get the MP up here. So no joke.
Real talk.
No joke.
Real talk.
Them
Real
type
talk.
of people you need in nice society. You see what I say? We share the love and care about people. Because it's about
God
care about
united,
people, you know, you see me?
We can't do nothing without God, you know.
That's it.
That is it.
Big
So,
man.
so Ringo I hate, man.
Yeah, man.
So you know a blessing. So
Yeah.
you carry around the people that are blessed. You see me have God around me, because everything that we are doing, God bless. You see me I say nothing else.
Nothing
A
else.
formula to the world.
Formula to the world.
Yeah, man, bless you. Yeah.
Happy
Love
New
for
Year.
that.
Happy New Year, man.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, man, people. So this is Formula and this is Bling. You can catch Bling on the YouTube at where?
Bling lifestyle.
Yes.
You see me, you can find me over there. You see, if you come see me half your half, man. If you want some different side of England, Birmingham, I hear some of there, you see me? So the tune in. You see it? And we remember if you don't come to Birmingham, you don't come to Formula, you don't come nowhere. Come check it out.
Alright?
Yeah, man,
Respect
Formula.
Formula.
Family them round so tough.
Yeah.
Yard style.
Yard style.
Yeah.
Just cool, man.
Yes.
The thing I say it where.
I want to, man.
Up
Be
the top
alone.
there, so we have a reggae kitchen. So
You see it?
we are the whole life food man, them a family. You hear that?
No joke.
Alright.
But when he pass up
Yeah.
here the first time,
Yeah.
the first time he pass up here and come do a review upon this location,
Yeah.
he came at every food shop
Yeah,
where they
man.
on this
Yeah,
trip.
man.
Every food
You don't
shop,
want
you
to
know.
lose, so you have Chris as well. So
Is
we
it?
are every food man good.
Everybody,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, man.
I
Because
be
we
alone.
alone can't feed everybody. You know.
For real,
No,
for
too
real,
much people. I
Yeah,
like
man. Yeah, man.
too much
For real.
people, man. Isn't it?
for real. I will
I
talk.
hate Ringo, man. So you're there in Birmingham, Ringo.
Yeah, man. And they say thing go.
Yeah.
And they say thing
Yeah,
go.
man, I blaze, man, I blaze, I
Yeah,
blaze.
No, I'm just in food. I'm something earlier.
Yeah, man, I really good vibes, people, and I'm telling you that the love here in Birmingham, yeah, has gone endless. You understand? Yeah, man, endless amount of love you saw in Birmingham, and I just want to say to the people as well, yeah, Bling's out here and he's on a mission as well. And I say to Bling, you know, people, yeah, I say Bling,
Yeah.
you better go feed the people in Birmingham, you know, because if we can't do that, you have to just go and continue the mission up at Birmingham. So people, when you see Bling, support Bling, because Bling will also be out handing out some food and helping his local community as and when he can. You understand?
Yeah, man, we have to do
Also
that, man.
promoting and helping up and coming businesses. You understand, people?
joke.
Yeah. Yeah, man, a good
Because
vibes.
we need to keep the black business them in England. You know what I say? Yeah, man, we need to keep all of the business them together. You know what I say? So if you can help anyone, just help them, man. We're not segregate from nobody, but we need to keep them. There is not a lot of black business in the community them. So even a crying to us, no.
Definitely,
Some of
definitely.
the black business them are lose and people start take over. You know, it's all different.
And it needs to be a balance.
Yeah, it needs to be a balance.
A fruitful balance.
Yeah, so if we can help each other and help and promote each other, we do it. So me I say no word, no grudging, man. You see me I say that the amount of people there, we can't feed everybody. You see, so if you can break the bread, you broke it. You see it? Or
Massa. Hey, Bling, you can smell the flavors out of the soup there, you know, man.
Smell it,
And
smell it.
and you know, say Ringo Vision is a soup
That's cool,
king, you know, man.
And you know the weather feel now, don't
Yeah.
you know, feel out the door, man. I say I be ice, I be a snowfall last night. Wow, and it's a carrot. It's around me love carrot, you know. Watch it. Hold for me too, you know. Yeah. The food in there. Yeah, man, you can smell it. Let me taste it, man, my boss. Hold on, my boss. And this weather, you need some of this in your body. You know?
What you say with the Bling?
A formula with them, man. One formula, man. See that? Just get some soup or whatever. You know, see it?
Nah, tell no lie, formula soup look good. And it smell good.
Tastes good too.
And Bling, I give you the verdict and I tell you, say the food good.
No joke.
Ringo Vision away upon this hard food to give you the verdict about formula food. The Ringo Vision, I mean Birmingham, it's so good to have someone to cook for you as well, because we're always cooking and providing food. So when you make a stop and you come and check in and you get this, oh wow, look at this, oh wow.
Well, we go on and spoil him.
Boy, look man, in a formula place. Yeah, we're gonna have to talk about this. Oh gosh. Ooh, look at the smoke coming out. These people don't spin the camera around. No sir.
Yeah, man.
No sir.
I eat, man.
Look at them, man. So look people, I even start to eat and I'm telling you, look, wow. Look, yeah, mad. Nice. I start eating some food right now, look, people, and talk about the ackee. Look at the colors. I love the red, gold and green going on in the ackee. Planting, green banana, sorry, a bit of yam, you understand, dumpling, some steamed veg, you understand, a good vibe.
See, Jabas, I reload the Guinness sponge, you know. Yeah? Guinness sponge shot, you know, pick and fast, you know. I reload, don't. Yeah, man, and you want to just have to make
Yeah,
a
Ringo,
game.
welcome to Birmingham, man. Formula.
What you say? What you say?
Welcome to Formula in Birmingham. You're there in place. This is the dish look. It's only Jamaica alone. I saw them color the red, gold,
True.
and green.
Oh gosh.
Alright.
Mad thing, people, yeah. So, you know, so I'm in Birmingham right now, yeah, and I'm around at Formula's restaurant, you understand, people, yeah. When I say Formula, and I'm having some authentic Jamaican food right now, yeah. Some ackee and saltfish with some steamed veg, also with some hard food, dumpling, yam, and banana. And you can't go wrong when you get the Guinness sponge. When you get the Guinness sponge, you understand? Yeah, man, I good vibes, and I'm outside with who?
I bring man there, I bring lifestyle to the world. No, they have some mutton soup. Yo, what I do cold, so the soup right now, I warm up the body.
That is it. So people look, young farmer just walking at a place, you know.
A young farmer like this man, yo, no joke. Him right now, I copy everything my father do, because he's a boy, him and his father roll him. Love him father, my father love him too as well. And I have to give him a highlight to the world. You see what I say? You come in summer and I see the boss juice them in the fridge. I chew in the building on this week.
And you know what I want to say, what I just love about this? A young man, and a young black youth as well.
Yes,
you understand? Has come and he's at his dad's place.
Yeah, man,
he's not out.
Run it
All I know, he's not on the street. Dad's got him right beside him.
Right,
and all I'm saying to everybody that's watching this video right now, yeah, mothers, fathers, families, hold on to the young ones like young farming like yourself. You understand? Because look, he's got a position here. Do you understand? His dad doesn't want him to go to stray. His dad doesn't want him to be outside doing the wrong thing. He's got him right beside him. So some fathers that are a bit too busy, 2026, we're telling the dads and the mums, find time for the children them and give them the what? The formula.
So, alright, like I want to touch put them onto the formula. So big up yourself, yeah? Every time the balls are rolling. I want formula to the world, though.
Yeah,
man.
that is it.
So ring
look at this, people, mad thing. So with our formula place up at Birmingham. Talk we are going to talk in right now, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know, joke thing, you know. And what we say with it? Formula. Birmingham. That is it. So I want to show you what I go on right now, you know. The formula right now, you know, people, yeah, so that is it.
That is it. Where's the ring? You had to review some of the food now.
Yeah, man, I mean, man, because look, first of all, bring you, I just want to taste everything individually.
True.
So that I can give everybody an individual, like, you understand? I don't want to just mix up.
Straight to your taste the ackee now.
Ackee and saltfish.
Oh. I notice how the ackee now mash up. Because the
Bling?
yeah. The Rasta man, you know.
Everything nice.
Let's say everything plug in.
But let me go to the creaminess of the ackee. You know, so ackee gives a creaminess. The saltfish, the texture, because you know saltfish is something that you have to get on point, everybody, yeah, when you're boiling it. You understand? When you boil saltfish, get it on point. You might have to, depending on your likings, boil it 2 or 3 times, especially when you're in a restaurant and getting it on point. That's very important. Farming, get the saltfish on point. It's not too salty and it's not under salty. Let me get into the fish quickly and just make you guys see what I want. Big chunk of fish. Wow. Season 2, one.
God. The fish look nice.
Links, my favorite hard food, you know.
Yeah.
Yam. Can't grow on the yam.
Banana my favorite. Today.
Banana your favorite? Can't grow on the yam, people here. I mean, you see formula? You know, cut the yam them in half. Just leave them in a nice round shape.
Yeah.
That means you particularly picking yam them when I'm buying yam them. Then round yam there and then just peel them and just slice them the same way. Formula, you know, nah man. Nah man.
Yeah man.
So look.
So you taste the fish a while ago?
You taste the fish.
Yeah.
You taste the steamed veg. You know, I'm more talking to people, I just want to tuck in your food in them because the food is very nice. You see, after I finish eating, I'll come back again and tell you what I want.
Alright, that should be right.
Yeah, that food's good. Farm, like we say, people. Yeah, man, when you come down to Birmingham, people, yeah, them food, yeah. Yes, my people, so yeah, man, most definitely, this is a place where I'm most likely to come again and visit when I come to Birmingham. Formula, you understand, the ackee and saltfish, 10-10, the Guinness Punch 10-10. You understand? Yeah, man, I loved it. And the experience and the hospitality that I've got here from Birmingham, good vibes. You understand? Go check out Bling Lifestyle. Go and check out what Bling's doing up here in Birmingham. You understand? That is it. And Formula's food. Would I come here again? Most definitely. 100%. My stomach is full. I feel so full right now. I feel like I could actually go and have a little nap. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I could go and have a nap after this from people. Yeah. That is it. A good vibes.
Gringo. They know it's
Thank you, yeah. Love. Yes, I.
Ringo, a formula to the world, you know. And we are move on now, though.
That's it.
Oh,
Oh.
see you fine there. Catch you again. Alright, formula.
Listen, today I've taken you on a journey. No one don't really see this on day-to-day YouTubing and day-to-day vlogs. The inside of the Jamaican culture here in Birmingham. I just bring you to 3 to 4 different shops, you understand? And they're all offering authentic Jamaican food, you understand? Including this place here with the outdoor jerk pan, you understand, people? Come on, look at this. You can look anywhere you come and you see a jerk pan, you know, say, wow, this has got essence of Jamaica, essence of yard vibes, you understand? And the place is actually called Yard Style Restaurants, you understand? And I'm here in Birmingham, people, yeah? And they got the food. I go inside, Bling there, right? That's the same way. So Bling, where we there, right? You carry me pan a next corner in
Yard Style, we there right now, you know. My place is, you know. Yard Style is a 24-hour food shop, too, you know.
This place no lock?
Yeah, it's a 24-hour. The only food shop in Birmingham where 24-hour right here. So if you want a cup of tea in the early morning with fried dumpling and ackee and saltfish, you can pull up here and sit down to chill out. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So I saw you things set up around them, man. So so they have like seafood and they do like platters and everything. When it's the Jamaican side. So I'm looking bro Jesus, you know. See dog have one, the dog have one.
Well, brother.
Manners and respect me.
Manners.
Yeah, man, nature people products. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Man, natural juice. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. L first, then thirst. You see me I say?
Yeah.
We have all different flavor for all different purposes. You see me I say?
So quickly, before we go into it, yeah, tell me who you are.
Well,
Because they don't know you. Everybody's watching and they don't even know who you are.
Well,
tell them who you are.
my name is Ricky. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Them call me Nature Boss. You see me I say? Nature People Products. You see me I say?
Yes, I.
The founder of Nature People Products. You see me I say?
Yes.
My aim is to get as much people as healthy as possible. You see me I say?
Wow.
I use the herbs of the land to cure the people.
Wow.
We are turned to nature. You get me? 'Cause
Natural.
We are all nature people.
That's
you get
right.
me I say?
Yes.
So we are using nature to heal the nature.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, a good vibe. I see you got some bottles on the table there.
Yeah, man. We have right now. We have only four of the many flavors we have available right now. We have kiwi and pineapple right here.
Yes.
With ginger. You get me? I
Yes.
say clean out the intestine. You get me? I say help with the digestive system as well. You know, we have beetroot and ginger. You don't know beetroot clean the whole body, flush out the whole bloodstream. The filters them get clean out. When you drink this, you're supposed to see it whenever you go bathroom. You get me? I say that for sure you say everything are clean out in the filter.
Right.
Then I say on the blood. Anyway, me develop that one here for tackle diabetes. You see me I say? That one have mostly green in it. That one have about 7 ingredients. I can remember all of them. Kiwi, string bean, green apples, spinach, cucumber, lemon, ginger. I think I left out one of them, but you get me, that one is still diabetes we are tackling. You get me I say? Yeah. All of the diabetes patients them, they can try out that one.
Right.
Lean, mean and green. You get me? Yeah man. And you don't know we have carrot and ginger and with the pumpkin carrot punch as well. With the hard knock punch as well. With the 7 seeds. We have the medicine as well, you get me?
Right.
We have a medicine what I do where me invent that one day. It help with the digestive system, joint pain, respiratory system, you get me? is like a magic potion. See me? Because we use the herbs to heal the nation.
That's right.
Yeah,
I love that. I love that. So what got you into all of these things?
How far? Alright. From I was a toddler, me love juice.
Right.
Yeah. Me used to drink more than me eat. When me get my dinner and my juice finish, I'm gonna start my dinner.
Right.
So my belly used to full with just juice.
Yes.
So it starts from there, and me not even know say me dip on the pot
Yes.
until me sink in and then dip on the pot. You get
Really?
me? And I realize, and then I see say, I really have
A gift.
a gift. You get me? So
Yes.
I start the research and start widen my knowledge, start know more about herbs, start try out different herbs and stuff, and you get me? And we just know say this
This is your field.
my field. You get me? I
Yes.
say this is what I'm here for.
To deliver
Basically.
the health factors
Yes.
to people.
Health first, then thirst.
Right.
Yes.
I respect that. that. And how long now have you been doing that?
Well, I first started it in 2016, and
So we're talking a good 9 years now.
yeah, 2016, and the part we just continue the journey. You get me? Now we're on a different level now.
What's your challenges that you've had? Tell the people them, because in
challenges,
life,
alright.
the reason why I say the challenges, yeah, because there's a lot of people that's even watching right now that's probably thinking, I want to try something, and,
Well,
and they might give up. So what made you not give up?
Inspiration.
Inspiration.
Yeah, I'm inspired by the Almighty.
I respect that. I give thanks to that.
And when you get the work from the Almighty, you can't give up. You get me? But the challenges, one of the main challenges one I face is people want to get healthy, but they want to continue the unhealthy lifestyle.
At the same time.
Yes, some people think say, oh, sell me a buckle, you want to clean out my filter, and think one buckle will clean out the filter, and still I do the stuff them way I go black up the filter.
At the same time.
Yeah, so that's one of the main challenges, and people are less aware. Now them I get more aware of health.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm glad about that. So people
Yeah.
get more aware of health, you get me? But most of the people them are less aware of the health.
What would you advise to the people them that are watching right now, and how to get started? Because some people might want to start to use and even use some of your products, or even try to reach out and even speak with you. How would they go about the first stages?
Well, to reach out to me, I've got Instagram. On Instagram, it's Nature People Products. Facebook as well, and TikTok, Nature People Blends. To start a journey, you have to just be conscious of your body. Alright, most people have cars, right? Let me put it as simple as this. If you have a car, you have to take care of the car. Get me? Think of your body as a car. You get me? If you run your car without taking care of it, it'll go break down one day.
And being a driver myself, and I'll give some people some examples what you're talking about. A car has a filter.
Yes, a car has a filter, gas tank. A car has an exhaust. We have an exhaust as well. We have filter. We have a gas tank that will full up.
And
We have respiratory system. We have all of that.
And one thing that even if the car has petrol and in it, which is our petrol is like our food. If there's no oil in that engine, the car can also mash up along the way.
And if you put bad petrol in,
yes,
the car is not gonna run properly.
That's right.
You get me? So you have to put the right petrol in the body. So that's one of the simplest way I can try to let people conceptualize.
Right.
You get me? But your body is more delicate than the car. You get me? The car can take more beat up than your body. You get me? So take care of your body more than how you take care of your car. Simple like that. Yes.
No, real talk, real talk. Nature people. You hear that? Nature people products. So, as we can see here as well, we got the colors, which is like yellow, red, green, orange. You understand? And them vibrant colors there as well is most important for people to have them in their bodies.
Yes.
You understand? Because it representing nature.
The different colors of nature. You get me? And none of these aren't artificial or anything. These are real natural colors.
Yes.
This is the color of the pineapple and the kiwi mixed together. This is the color of beetroot. This is all green, and this is the color of carrot. None of them is made up synthetically. They are all natural.
Respect.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So big up nature people and
nature people product. And if you want to get me on WhatsApp, my number is, as you can see here,
Make
is
we check it out.
07777762011.
And as you can see, everyone just look good. It's here, it's on the screen. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Nature People Products. The telephone number is here. You hear from the general himself as well.
Yeah,
That
man.
is it, a good vibes.
Yeah, man. I remember people, health first, then thirst. Big up on yourself. Start the journey now.
Go. We're there.
Outside.
Yard style with it right now. We're there Birmingham door.
Yeah.
Now give you a tour in the place, isn't it? I'll make you see how the place look down.
Yeah.
Although the place frozen, but we're outside.
Yeah.
Doing good work, isn't it? So just one tune in, man.
Yeah, man, a good vibe, man. We outside, man, and I place people, yeah. Birmingham. And yeah, this is a spot where you must forward come. It's freezing cold right now, but what I want to say that I like about this environment here, yeah, is the fact that it's just so open in the sense that you can see right through the kitchen. You can see right through the kitchen, through the serving area. And at the same time, you can come out here and you can sit down, you can eat your food, you can chill out. You understand? The hospitality is good.
On a 24 hour.
And it's also 24 hours as well. Jamaican restaurant that's operating 24 hours here. And it's the only one in Birmingham. 24 hours. Mad thing. Blessed King. Bless. Yeah, man, a good vibes.